Weather, Water and Air, Part 1. Topics in this chapter are: what is weather, the sun's role, water cycle, sea breeze and land breeze. Weather. Some days are sunny and hot, some days are cloudy and rainy, while some days are very breezy. Words such as sunny, hot, cloudy, rainy, and breezy are words that help us to describe the weather. What is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere and other outside conditions such as breeze, rain, and clouds at a particular time and place. The change in the state of water and air cause the day-to-day changes in weather. How the sun affects weather. What causes the weather changes? Weather changes are caused mainly by the sun. The movement of the earth around the sun or revolution causes changing seasons. The movement of the earth on its own axis or rotation causes days and nights. Apart from these, sun also affects the weather changes on earth by causing changes in the state of water and air. Sun's effect on water. The sun has a huge effect on the water bodies present on earth. The sun shines on the surface of oceans and lakes, causing the particles of water to evaporate. The more the sun hits the water, the faster its particles move or evaporate into the atmosphere as water vapor. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. The more the water vapor, the more is the humidity. Sun causes rain, the water cycle. Let us see the process of water cycle. The water on seas, rivers, lakes, ponds and streams evaporates because of the heat of the sun. The water vapor thus formed rises up. The air higher up is cooler. This cools the water vapor and tiny drops of water forms. This process is called condensation. Many such tiny water drops together form a cloud. When they become too heavy, they fall to the ground as a rain. This is called precipitation, as you can see in the diagram. The rainwater again goes into seas, rivers, lakes, ponds and streams. It again evaporates. This goes on repeating. The repeated changing of water to water vapor and then back to water in nature is called the water cycle. And the precipitation is of different forms like hail, rain, snow, dew, etc. Let us study one by one. Hint. Sometimes when it is very cold, raindrops freeze on their way down. They form small balls of ice called hailstones. Snow. Sometimes the clouds themselves are very cold. These freezes the water drops in the clouds to form snowflakes, which falls to the ground as snow. In winters, the water vapor in the air condenses to form drops of water on plants, parked cars, and window panes. These drops of water are called dew. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.